In today's video, you're going to learn the easiest way to blanch almonds at home and get that skin off easily. Oh hey, I'm Laura, also known as the internet mom that will teach you to cook for yourself and for your family with fresh and simple recipes. Now, if you're blanching almonds to make almond flour, roast them, or for any other purpose, you're at the right place. I'm also going to share with you how to store them properly after they're blanched. Blanching almonds is the process where you take your raw almonds, boil them real quick, and then cool them off quickly so you can take the skin off the almonds, which is a necessary step if you're making almond flour. Removing the skin on raw almonds is not easy to do by hand, so that's why we blanch them first. Also, removing the skin from your blanched almonds before you make almond flour will give your baked goods a softer and fluffier texture. You want to make sure that you're using raw almonds for this, not roasted and not salted. The first thing you want to do is fill a medium pot with water and bring it to a boil. Up next, place your raw almonds in the boiling water and let them boil for about 30 seconds. Anything more than a minute and now you're cooking them and they will be soft. You can either use a slotted spoon to remove the almonds from the boiling water into a strainer or dump the water out through the strainer in the sink. Before I continue, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below. It lets me know that I should continue to make these types of videos on my channel. The next step is to run cold water over the almonds to cool them down. Once they're cool enough to handle, you will be able to easily separate the skin from the almond with your fingers just like this. Another tip is to make sure that you don't wait too long to remove the skins because the longer you wait, the harder it is to remove them. I like to place a clean kitchen towel next to me to absorb the liquid and help them dry as I go. Oh, and if you have a garden or a flower bed, you can use the almond skins as compost too. There is one more essential step before you can go off to make the almond flour, so please don't skip it. And by the way, I'll link a how to make almond flour video below in the description box for you. You are going to need to dry out these almonds beyond what the kitchen towel can do, so I usually spread them right on a baking sheet. The drying process can take 8 to 12 hours at room temperature, or you can also speed up this process by drying them in the oven. For this, you'll preheat your oven to 250 Fahrenheit or 120 Celsius and bake them for just 5 minutes. After that, you still need to wait for them to cool off completely, about an hour at least, before you make almond flour. Okay, so to store your dried blanched almonds, you'll simply place them in a lidded jar or zip bag and keep them in your pantry for up to a week, in your refrigerator for a month, and in the freezer for up to a year. Now, I'd love to know what you're making today with your blanched almonds in the comments below, and I hope to see you next time since I share a few videos a few times a week.